Sa inyong dalawa, start to recite about the basic the conversation at home in Arabic. Start, go ahead. You cook now.
You cook now.
Ulit? It bakilan. Ano yung pinagsasabi mo?
You cut onions. You cut tomato. The breakfast is ready. The lunch is ready. The dinner is ready. Ikayan.
It bakil.
Bakilan. Katel basan. Katel tamatin.
The breakfast is ready.
Al-faturo jay.
The lunch is ready.
Al-gada o jay.
The dinner is ready.
Al-asha o jay.
Okay, mashallah, palakpakan natin sila. Congratulations.